What's up, guys? We are out today doing a 100 pesos street food challenge. So we're going to go near a high school. That's usually a good place to find street food. And we're going to try to spend 100 pesos, which is about $2. And we'll see how much food we can get. We'll see you in a second. Bye. What is this?
White taco.
White taco. How much is that?
35.
Oh, I'll take one of those.
Okay. And this one, egg lumpia.
Lumpia. Okay. Egg lumpia. Huh?
Yeah. Only taco.
I'll try the taco though. Yeah.
But if you want, sir, 3 pieces for 100.
Just one is okay. Yeah. Thank you. What is inside? Like beef, pork?
Chicken. Vegetables.
Okay, cool.
There is a mayonnaise.
Okay.
And cheese.
Gotcha.
Yeah. It's 61. 3, 4, 5. Change 65.
Thank you, ma'am. All right.
Ayo.
This is strange. Pila isaw. Hey, what's up, bro? Trying to find something sweet, but I don't know. I'll go back to the main road. I'm sure I'll find something there. Do you have tamis? Sweet? Do you have sweet? No? Okay. Thank you, bro. Excuse me.
Pakis daw.
Hey, can I have the cookies and cream? Yeah. Is it 10 pesos or how much?
Sulfane is 10.
Okay, cup's fine.
Sapa kay ka. Namay ka manansit.
Ay, cucumber na lang ko ah.
Bye guys. I'll see you tomorrow guys. I'll see you tomorrow guys.
Thank you. Mayroon ka.
It's just like water with powder. Can I do melon?
Yes.
Cup, I guess?
15 pesos.
15 pesos, that's it. Thank you. Thank you. Much better. Hi. Yeah.
Hi, madam.
Just
Name of your vlog.
American in the Philippines.
Oh.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
Just walking, man. Thank you.
Okay.
Follow you.
I've lived here for 2 years.
Here
Yeah.
in Philippines?
In Cebu. Yeah. I've just been in Davao for a month now. Is school done for the day?
Yes.
At 12?
Yes. This is
Wow.
the biggest high school because
Ah.
I'm senior high school.
Okay. Why half day today? Is it holiday or something, or
I'm 17.
7? Oh, okay. So you just get half days when you're a senior?
Yes. Depends on when you're senior it's half day, but 7 to 10 there's a whole day and then there's a half day.
Ah, okay. Oh, that's nice.
What's your name of your vlog?
American in the Philippines. I think I have a card. But let me see.
You have stickers? Down it. Bye best. Oh.
I just have a QR code. You can scan that with your phone.
Okay. Wow, YouTube. This one?
That's me. Yeah. Shout out.
Shout out.
Shout out, bro.
Shout out. Shout out, Ma'am Rosales.
Kaon.
Kaon, ma'am. Painagan.
What's my page?
Yeah.
Here, you can scan that with your phone.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you guys. All right.
Alright, one more to you.
Okay, thank you, bro.
God, you know.
Yeah.
Ma'am.